Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the Boxycharm Premium Box. As you guys know, Boxycharm likes to screw with me every month, and I believe this is my September Premium Box. I did cancel my Premium Box. I decided not to get it anymore, but for some reason they charged me on September 24th for my Premium Box. So lo and behold, it still showed up. I will not be getting the Premium Box anymore, especially since it went up to, how much is it? $40? Yeah, the Premium Box is going up to $39.99, and the Luxe Box will be going up to $59.99. So $60 for the Luxe Box and $40 for the Premium Box. I wouldn't have an issue with the Premium Box being such a high price jump if they maybe added a new product, but they're not. I won't be buying the Premium again. I haven't been happy with Boxycharm for quite a while, and I'm definitely not happy with the fact that they charged me on the 24th of September for a Premium Box that I shouldn't be getting because I canceled my subscription. And I prepay for my base box, so I know why I got that one, but they didn't send me my base box until the end of the month. But then to charge me on the 24th for my Premium Box, I just find that crazy. And the price jump to me is just not worth it. I think that we should start giving more love to indie brands out there, like indie subscription boxes, Ice Cream Beauty Box, Medusa's Makeup. I'll list a bunch of beauty subscription boxes in my description box for you guys so you guys can check them out. So you guys can see other products and other companies that do a great job with their subscription boxes other than Boxycharm. Here is the Premium Box right here. I have no idea what's in it. I don't remember what, there's a lot of stickers on here. I don't remember what's in it, or what was the, or I don't remember what was like the choice or anything like that, or if I made a choice, I have no idea. Okay, so when you open up your box, it looks like this. And I received the variation C2109287PM. You know, I remember when I first started my channel and there was like 5 variations for Boxycharm. Now there's so many variations that it's like, you know, there's so many. Okay. All right. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this. And this is the, I'm going to move my box over here. This is the Bloom Effects Tulip Dew Mist Fragrance-Free Hydrating Mist. All right. And this retails for $34 for this, for 2.8 ounces. Okay, a multitasking face mist that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamins B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. Okay, it's a new launch. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Bloom Effects before. If you got this, let me know if you like it. Ooh, it's a nice mist. Oh, they said fragrance-free. That's right. All right, I'll definitely try it. I'm not mad at it or anything like that, but I'm mad at the price, but I'm not mad at the product. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is Verb Ghost Oil Smoothing Moringa Blend plus Weightless Hair Oil. Okay, so this is for your hair. And this retails for $18. This weightless hair oil revitalizes strands from roots to end. It's powered with moringa oil. This blend works to hydrate and fight frizz, which I am okay with because my hair is very frizzy. It's always frizzy. I have the straightest could be hair, but I have a lot of breakage, and that breakage just goes boop out in the humidity. And New Jersey, where I live by the beach, is humid. Okay, the next thing is this. And this is by Laura Mercier, and I have not gotten a product from her in a very long time in this box. This retails for $27, and it's a soothing eye makeup remover. It's a gentle eye makeup remover that effectively removes eye makeup. Not mad at this. Ooh, the packaging is pretty. It's kind of small for how much? $27. You can go to the store, like the drugstore, and get a huge thing of, what is that? I forget, but you can get a big thing of it for like $10. Micellar water. Wow, that took me forever to find that. Micellar water. You can buy micellar water at the drugstore and it's half the price of this, maybe a little bit more than half. So, but I'm not mad at getting this. I'll definitely use it. I put makeup on my face all the time. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is Complex Culture, and it's a Sonic T-Bar face massager. I think I've received this from Ipsy before. I believe this is Ipsy's brand, and this retails for $58 stupid dollars. This Sonic powered tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. You guys, first of all, the box is open. Number one. Number two, this is Ipsy's brand. Ipsy literally has sent this before in their boxes. Like, if Ipsy's gonna buy Boxycharm, which I know they did, please don't put your products in Boxycharm. Like, that's all I'm asking. I'm not asking for, like, you know, your firstborn. I'm just asking not to put your Complex Culture products in Boxycharm. Here we go. We got this. I'm not really sure how to use this. Do you charge it? Do you charge it? Do you just... Oh, wait. Oh, you need batteries. I believe I've gotten this before. I just didn't do anything with it. $58 for this. This is a good weapon, though. You know? Put this in your pocket if you're out at night. Just clock someone on the head if they try to bother you. Not that if anyone tries to talk to you, you should clock them in the head, but you know what I mean. If someone bothers you, clock them in the head. Okay, then we got this, and this is the Milk and Honey Beauty Bakery Highlighter Palette. Not mad at this. This retails for $38. So creamy, you don't need butter. You'll be all sugar after you milk. Ooh, after you milk that glow. Kind of giving me the heebie-jeebies here. Okay. With these silky smooth milk and honey highlighters, grab your bakeware and strobe, mix or layer in abundance. I do like Beauty Bakery products a lot. Their packaging is really cute. It looks like a honeycomb. Isn't that cute? It is. It's super cute. Okay. Well, I might have this. Maybe I don't. Do I? I don't know. I might. Okay. Here it is. I'm so used to getting swatch products from Boxycharm that I feel like I have to look for a swatch. So here we go. All right, not bad. Let's real quick swatch it. Oh, wrong hand. If I do have this, I'll give it to my like sister or, yeah, my mom or my sister because I just swatched it. They won't be mad at me for swatching it. So there are the highlights. Are beautiful, beautiful, silky, smooth. Definitely went on very nicely. So there we go. Not mad at this. These highlighters will last me like 3 lifetimes. Okay, and the last but not least is this. And this is a Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows Mix and Match Eyeshadow. A game-changing portable eyeshadow palette of 6 rich blendable shades in a range of matte to shimmer finishes. Snap together any 2 palettes to double your collection while keeping it perfectly compact. That's 12 of your fave shades all in the palm of your hand and retails for $25. Okay, so here we go. Oh, the sticker's messed up. This is gonna bug the shit out of me. Look. Is anyone else like crazy like that? Like I would try to take this off to put it back on to make it look normal. Okay, so this is the, which one is this? I'm sorry. Too Cool Neutrals. All right. You get a little mirror, and here they are. I don't remember if I chose this or not. Part of me thinks I did. The other part of me thinks I didn't. So, okay. So we have 2 mattes, and it looks like 3 shimmers. 2 mattes, 3 shimmers? No, 4 shimmers. All right, so let's swatch real quick. There they are. The eyeliner swatches are from my new Kaja products I got. I got the new eyeliners from Kaja. It's like a new release. I'm super excited to try them. I also got their mascaras. So excited. My lips were like this for a little bit too long. Okay. All right, guys. So for the month of September, I think this is a September's box. There's no way in hell they would have sent me the October box as fast. I received the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows, the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette, the Laura Mercier Eye Makeup Remover, the Verb Ghost Oil for your hair. I'm actually really excited about this. The Bloom Effect Tulip Dew Mist, which I'm not mad at. The Complex Culture face thing, which, you know, this is definitely something I'm not excited about. Maybe I'm just being a snob. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and that's it. I definitely think since they raised the price that they should put a 7th product in there. I think for $25 you get 5. For $40, what's wrong with me? For $40 you should get 6 or 7. No, for $40 you should get at least 7 products in your box. That's how I feel, but maybe I'm just, you know, being salty that they raised the price, but I definitely won't be getting the premium or the Luxe ever again. I don't think the premium is worth it. I do think their base box is their best box. All right, let me give you the overall value of this box. The overall value of this box is $200, and that is it for today, guys. I'll make sure to link Boxycharm in my description box down below. This will be my last Boxycharm premium unboxing on this channel. It's just a lot of money, you know, like, and I'm not made of money, and $25 for one box is fine every month. I don't need the premium. It's just a lot of excess product for me that I normally don't use, you know, so I'm not upset by it, but I am upset by the price change. That's it. But all right, that's it for today. I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out with me. I am so grateful for all of you. Thank you for just sticking with me. I know my recording schedule has been really odd and really weird, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. My family is still sick, but we're all doing okay, and that's all I can ask for. I hope you guys are doing really good. I love you so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.